Statistics helps us understand data better so that we can make smarter decisions, whether it is saving our pocket money to buy any particular musical instrument or a book. It helps us to see patterns, relationships, trends in information relating to maybe employment, maybe price rise, growth, or any other economic variable. For example, it is used in research to make sure that experiments are fair and results are accurate. Industries rely on statistical analysis for quality control, to predict market trends, and to manage risks. Not only that, in governance also, it informs policy formulation and evaluation. So let us understand how statistics is important in various fields. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Initially, statistics was employed by government only to collect information on issues relating to the public. But nowadays, statistics is widely used in all fields. It is relevant for planning. It is relevant for government. Statistics and economics have very close relationship. So is the case with business and statistics. Statistics is very relevant for planning simply because planning involves the fixation of targets and priorities. Targets that are fixed needs to be achieved within a specific period of time. And it will be possible only when data are available. Statistics helps in planning at the government level, institution level, and individual level, simply because planning is based on the quantitative information. If it is government, government is concerned with the economic resources, price level, national income, and other economic variables. If it is institution, institution is concerned with production, costs involved, salaries of the employees, profits, and so on. And if it is individual level, any individual is concerned with his earnings, his expenses, his savings, his investment, and so on. Not only that, statistics helps in economic planning by collecting data on natural resources, human resources, and man-made resources. So, statistics is helpful in analyzing economic problems, mainly challenges that are faced by the nation, whether it is relating to the human resources, natural resources, or man-made resources, whether it is relating to problems like poverty, problems like unemployment, problems like inflation. It can be analyzed only with data in hand. So it helps in analyzing different economic problems which need immediate attention. And with the help of statistical information, economists can then make certain economic laws or frame economic policies. Not only that, statistics is also then helpful for making comparisons with other nations at the economy's level, comparisons with other institutions at the institution level, and so on. Let's understand slightly in more details how is statistics relevant for the government. The government needs to collect numerical information for the efficient running of the administration as well as fulfill welfare objectives. So government has to make many decisions related to different sectors of the nation. So statistical information on various aspects is collected for different sectors like education, health, industry, infrastructure, population, and so on. All the decisions related to these sectors are made through data collection and interpretation, which means statistics are the basis of decision making. As you have already understood that statistics is the activity of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting data. So it plays a very important role in understanding the economical data. Most of the economic problems are capable of being expressed in numerical terms, like employment in any sector, output of any sector, whether it is agriculture, industry, tertiary sector, volume of exports and imports, costs involved in the production, domestic income, national income, per capita income, prices of the commodities, and the list is endless. So there is a widespread usage of statistics for economics simply because economics is involved with the economic activities of production, consumption, and distribution. So all the economic branches use data for comparison, for presentation, and for interpretation. Whether it is incomes earned, expenditures incurred, national wealth, supply adjustment, demand, and then one can interpret the impact of economic policies. So, statistics help in framing economic policies, in formulating economic laws, in understanding the economic problems and solving economic challenges, analyzing the trends of market structures, understanding basic economic concepts, analyzing data to interpret and then finally make policies. Every government organization and private organization use data to formulate its policy and do adequate planning. So data is collected for making concrete plans relating to the various aspects of production, consumption, investment, income, and so on. Statistics are essential for businesses to make future decisions or to make changes to their strategies and policies. Almost every company does business statistics to perform its day-to-day operations. Statistics are important for business because of various reasons. First and the foremost reason is that when business unit is established, one needs to conduct feasibility studies for which data is required. It involves detailed location information, size of output, availability of inputs, taxes, market share, estimated turnover, and so on. Statistics provide guidelines that are helpful in decision making. Once the business is launched, next step is to estimate future demand. Statistical methods help prepare trend lines, leading to reliable forecasting. Then the businessman needs to plan their production to meet demand by incurring the minimum possible cost. So careful planning is required to maintain a balance between demand and supply. And then various statistical techniques are required to control the quality of the product manufactured by the firm. And then before a product launch, various statistical techniques are used to analyze data on preferences, purchasing power, competitors, pricing, and so on. So one needs to study the possible market potential for the product. Last but not the least, every business firm needs to maintain proper accounts for its revenue and expenditure. One also needs to estimate average production per unit of labor, average cost incurred, average rate of return on investment, and so on. So, every business involves trading, buying, selling goods and services which involve lots of numbers around it. Also, research and development department of any business depends only on statistical data. They use current data to develop new products and services for the businesses. So it helps them to make decisions about the latest product or services. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you. Economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.